Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Di sini kami akan mengerjakan tugas sesi keempat, yaitu tentang menanyakan waktu, tanggal, hari, dan lainnya. Dan yang kedua yaitu percakapan dialog tentang present continuous tense. Saya Dea Monica dan teman saya
Esther Ariwani.
Lanjut ke video. What time is it now?
It's 10 o'clock.
What day is it today?
Now it's Friday.
What is the date today?
It's now the 9th.
What session is it now?
Now is the rainy season.
What are you doing?
I'm studying for my exam.
How long have you been studying?
I've been studying for 8 hours.
Have you finished your homework?
Yes, I finished at 8.
What have you been doing today?
I've been working on my project.
Is she still working on her project?
Yes, she's still working on it.
How many pages has she written?
She written 5 pages so far.
Sekian presentasi dari kami, kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.